For this tutorial, I will be demonstrating how to use the Kurzweil software on a Mac computer. Before you start this process, it is important that you have registered with the Access Center, turned in appropriate documentation, met with an advisor, and requested and have been approved for this specific accommodation. To start, you will look for the Kurzweil icon in your Applications folder and click on it. Once you click on the icon, you can then type your username and password into the appropriate field. The username and password is one that is generated by the Access Center, so if you don't already have this, please contact the Access Center and request your username and password. When opening a PDF to read, go to the drop-down menu that is labeled File and select Open. After selecting Open, find the PDF on your computer and click on it. You will have an opportunity to open the entire document or just a few pages. You will just need to select a page range and click Open. Once a page range is selected, each page of the PDF will be opened and optical character recognition will be applied. At this time, you may want to save your universal library so that you can easily access this reading next time. To locate the page that you would like to start reading, go to the View drop-down menu and select Thumbnails. On the right-hand side of your screen, you will see a thumbnail of each page, and all you have to do is to scroll through them and click on the page you would like to start reading. To read, place your cursor where you'd like to start reading, and then go to the Read drop-down menu and select Start Reading, or use the indicated hotkey. As Kurzweil reads, it will highlight in green the word it is currently reading, and it will turn the sentence or paragraph it is reading to yellow according to your preference. You can also use the control panel at the top right corner. You can select different voices that you prefer, or if you are reading a document in a foreign language, you can select the appropriate language voice so the application will read the document correctly. In the panel on the top right, you can also select the speed that your reader will read to you. You can also choose the color that you would like by using the highlighting features under the Tools drop-down menu. As you can see, I have made more highlights to the reading. Once you select a color, you can highlight the text that you think is important. In addition, you can extract the highlight and create notes for each document you are reading. This feature is very helpful when you are reading textbooks with chapters. However, it is important to know how you highlight your notes will reorganize them for you when you extract. To extract these highlights, you need to go to the File drop-down and then select Extract Notes and Highlighted Text. In the next screen, just click on Extract. After clicking the Extract button, all the highlights are extracted from the document. After making a highlight in a document, it is a good idea to save the document. Under the File drop-down folder, just select Save As. Then title the document and where you would like to save the document. Select the Kurzweil 3000 file format. This will save all the highlights. You could also copy and paste into Word if you wanted to make additional notes to your new outline. To create an audio file in the File folder drop-down menu, select Create Audio File. Once selecting Create Audio File, select what language and voice you would like the document to read in. Select the preferred reading speed, select File Format, and Location. Once this is complete, select OK and your audio file will be created. You can then listen to your book while you are on the go without using the whole application. If you have any questions or problems using Kurzweil, feel free to stop into the Access Center or set up an appointment with your advisor. Thank you for watching.